Hey investors, good evening. Ridhivej Finance presenting Time Green Energy India Private Limited. We are presenting women empowerment based fixed price issue. This fixed price issue is a Time Green Energy India Private Limited, where you can see the director list and the promoter list. Both are holding by women's. So Indian economy is giving a good platform for women, we can say, to launch their company in Sensex. This is an SME IPO, and you can go through this IPO. You will come across so many things that rural area of women can establish themselves at national level. Time Green Energy India Limited. This company has started November 10, 2010 under the Company Act 1956. Women entrepreneurial venture promoted by Mrs. Daini Lakshmi Jumal and Karuna Parthivani. Both women are dedicated improving lives of rural women. Here are all women board director and promoter too, based in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh area, as well as they are into the Karnataka, where they have a business into the agro products, agrochemicals, including organic bio products and sanitary napkin. Promoters begin their journey getting involved into procuring and distributions of natural organic plant protection products and organic products for betterment of a farming amongst villages, and hence company has formalized such a trading and distribution activities. Thereafter, acquiring agricultural land in 2013, certain available educating and supporting women farmers across and distributions and to touch the base. Large scale of farming activities has been conducted by them, where they are having 13 employees, and yes, they are one of the brand name as napkin brand is Monthly Time is known as their brand name. Time Greens Energy India Limited contact us detail. You can see their organization is rural eco surrounding women and around certain villages of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, border areas of Karnataka. They are currently involved in 3 business activities, namely as agri products, agri chemicals and sanitary napkin, where they are recently launched their application by name as Bharat Bazar Kisan to Kitchen name. Their registration office detail is 602 Dhruva Thara apartment, Medinova complex, Somaji Guda, Hyderabad, Telangana 500082. And you can visit on their website timesgreenenergy.com. Time Green Energy India Limited having product details. Distribution of agro products including edible oil, vegetable paddy and maize. Trading and distribution of natural organic plant protection products, bioproducts and agri-chemicals, generally known as biopesticides. They are major into crop protectant, crop nutrient and specialty water soluble liquid nutrient, where they are into health and hygiene, where they are promoting their brand is named as sanitary napkin with the brand name Monthly Times in rural market. Time Green Energy FPO fixed price issue will be open on the 16 June 2021. IPO closing date 22nd June 2021. Issue type is fixed price issue IPO. Face value rupees 10 per equity shares. IPO pricing is 61 rupees per equity shares. Market lot size is 2000 shares. Minimum order quantity is 2000 shares. listing at BSE and SMEs. This is a SME FPO. So this is basically you have to invest it into the large amount of money, at least more than a lakh of rupees. Time Green Energy IPO Promoter Holdings. This pre-issue shareholding will be 79.20%, where post-issue shareholding will be 47.60%. Our promoter names are Mrs. Dane Lakshmi Jumal and Mrs. Karuna Parthivani Vani. An application of minimum order quantity lot is 2000 shares, that is 1,22,000 will cost for investor, and maximum lot size is also 1 lot, where 2000 shares where costing is 1,22,000. Dear investors, Riddhi Finance will give one of the remark over this IPO. This IPO shows women's empowerment, and yes, across the world, if country GDP has calculated, they also calculated women's empowerment equals to nation empowerment. Thank you by Riddhi Finance. This is a fixed price issue, so you can invest it, but as per retail investor, the price is quite higher end, means like you have to invest it more than 1 lakh rupees. So we can suggest you, if you are small investor, you can go ahead with after listing of the IPO. Yes, it depends on your own decisions. We are just guiding about the IPOs. Thank you. Have a great day. Good night. Sweet dream. Bye.